Happy Monday, everybody. In my first session with all my new coaching clients, I always ask them this question: how serious are you about growing a really strong team? That's what we're talking about today, because I'm sharing with you a very strong duplication method, so you don't want to miss it. I'm Gail Bates, CEO of MyMentorBiz.com, and this is the Monday Minute Team Building Tip. I help leaders grow million-dollar teams with systems and strategies. And today we're talking about a specific system that I think you're going to love. If you're new here today, I'd love you to hit the subscribe button and come back and listen to all the tips that I share with you every Monday at this time. Okay, so my new clients ask this question, and when I ask the question, how serious are you about growing a really strong team? The answer is always, yes, Gail, but how? Okay, so then I share with them my duplication model, and it's made up of 3 steps. So the first step is I share with them what we're going to focus on is how to grow a strong personal team. That's the first part of the model. The second part is where we're going to now focus on, now you are focusing on getting your own personal strong team. We're going to focus on helping those people build a personal strong team. And then the third part of the duplication model is to really help those strong people move up to leadership. It's a great model. It worked for me growing a $1 million team. But around this duplication model, I have systems. You see, I'm a systems person. Are you a systems person, or do you like to fly by the seat of your pants? I think that systems take the guesswork out of trying to figure out what to do. Instead of spending hours looking for solutions, if you have all the information lined up in a system, and it's right there in seconds, you really have something to follow step by step. So today I'm really excited to announce my new special online workshop called How to Fast Start New Business Builders, okay? And in this system, you're going to learn, it's a course, a 7-mini video course. And in this system, you're going to learn how to help all your new recruits get off to a successful start in just 5 steps. It's my 5-step process that I've been training, and I use it in my $1 million team. I train all my coaching clients on this as well. So here's how the 5 steps work. It's called a 5-step success plan. So the first step, you're going to learn how to help your new team member launch successfhave You're going to know the details of how to help her invite people to her launch, how to help her have the launch, how to help her go through each step of the launch, how to have sales at the launch, how to get future bookings at the launch. It's the details of having a very successful launch party. In the second step, I give you ideas on how to announce her new business on social media. Social media can be so overwhelming for new recruits. So I have a really step-by-step process on that, and that doesn't overwhelm her. It's really important. In the third step, we delve deep into achieving that 30, 60, 90-day fast start reward, the one that your company offers, the one that gives her some fantastic rewards for just achieving sales and sponsorship in the first 90 days. So you're going to learn exactly how you can help her achieve each level. That's what you want. If you're going to have a strong team, you want them to start strong by earning those 3 levels in this first 90 days. In the 4th step, I share with you the details of, and this is something that I implemented in my $1 million team that really kind of had a huge impact. And not many people do this. So I teach you how to share with your new recruit, how to invite people to learn more about the business opportunity. So she has her first recruit, at least one, in her first 90 days. And in the 5th step, it's a hands-on training for you. You get the outline, you get the details, you get the worksheets, everything on how to train and be a really influential trainer and training your new team members. You're also going to learn how to welcome them. There's a special way to welcome new recruits into your team, fold them into your team, okay? And then I have a fantastic tracking system that you're going to love, so that when I had 47 new recruits come onto my team, I had to find a way to track how each one of them was moving through all of this 5-step plan. And I have a special way that I share that with you in this workshop. So the link is below, and guess what? Today until October 10th, you can get this for $49, okay? It will eventually be $97, because this is a really important system that you are going to love, that's really going to help you fast start your new recruits. So click the link today if you're interested. Just take a look and read all about exactly what you're going to learn. And I'm go back to what I said in the beginning. How serious are you about growing a strong team, about really growing a strong team? If you are, then click the link below and learn more about it. Have a great Monday.